Hello everyone, my name is Oum Saokosal. Today I want to make a quick video about Flutter 2. Actually, I'm so excited with that. Flutter 2 released like a while ago, but I think it's very new for a lot of people. So with the Flutter 2, you now can create, 3 more apps. In the past, we could create, use the same code and create an app for iOS, Android, and the web with Flutter. But now with Flutter 2, the web is stable, and also now you can create three more apps one for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Every platform now can use the same code with Flutter 2. Are you excited? I am. So this video is not intended for a very new beginner. This video is just like for a guy that involved around with Flutter for a while. But for the beginner, maybe you can watch this as like the intro into the Flutter 2. So of course, first you need to install JDK. Along the way you will need JDK, and for Windows particularly you need Git as well. So make sure you download this as well for Windows. Android Studio, I use Android Studio because this tool is more sophisticated than Visual Studio Code, and I decided to use it, and now I'm stick with that. So if you don't like it, it's okay. Maybe you use VS Code, yeah. But for me, I use Android Studio, and also Flutter SDK, of course. Okay. And last but not least, because we want to create apps for Windows, now we have to download Visual Studio, not the code, the real Visual Studio 2019. Use the community version because it's a free download. Okay, and it's recommended by the Flutter website. Okay, so just go to download, and of course you will need account to download it. It's a new thing for Oracle. So just click download this. Yeah, because I already logged in, so I can just go to download like this. But I already have that, so just click cancel. Okay, and GitHub, just click this version 64 mostly now. Yeah, and already have that, and also Android Studio. But this one is very huge. After you download it, nearly 900 megabyte, and after you download it, you install it, you will need to download again while starting. So the process takes a while, and make sure you have a stable internet connection for that. And Flutter, now let's go to Flutter. This video I use Windows because we want to create the desktop application for Windows, but in the future I will make a video for Mac as well. Yeah. So here, click on Windows like this. Okay, 800 megabyte. So yeah, already downloaded. So click cancel. Yeah. Last but not least, this one. So this one is small at first if you click download, and make sure, I hope that you already know the step here, because just like I said, this video is not for a real new beginners. It's for like Flutter developer, but all around for quite some time. Yeah, like this. Yeah, because I already downloaded, I just want to show you a quick quick option. So now I have to go to modify because I already downloaded. So For the Visual Studio here, you need to choose this one, okay? Not the other one, just this one. If you think you want to, make app for Windows like desktop thing, you can click on this one, yeah. But this one is like the requirement for Flutter, so you must choose this, okay, yeah. And I believe this is for Linux. I saw the recommendation that you have to choose this one, so I think maybe for Linux, but this is the default one. You just click, you don't have to choose anything other than this for the Windows. That's fine for this one, and for me I will choose this two. Alright, and then click on install, and it will take like 1 hour to finish this, yeah. So assume you already install everything, so let's go to my git command. So let's see the Flutter Doctor now. So for the first time, you will be asked to to accept the Android license as well. If you see something like Android, you have to copy and So this is the version that I'm using now. So this is the time now. So 7th of April. So now it's the Flutter 2.0.3, and the Android now is 30.0.3. Chrome, that's fine because you use Chrome, and I already installed Visual Studio. And this is the community 2019, the version, and this is the VS Code, I believe, yeah, and IntelliJ for other purpose, but yeah, it check here. Now here is the VS Code here. I think it's belong to the Visual Studio to the 2019. Okay, all right. So if you have any problem with this, make sure you see the error, and then usually just copy the error, pass it into Google, and then you will see a lot of people answer in the Stack Overflow, something like that, yeah. So I hope that you install correctly. So now let's go to Android Studio. No, not Android. Yeah. Okay, this is the previous sample. Let me close it. Alright, so new Flutter application. So now I will call it Flutter 2 example, like that. Flutter I install it in dry C, like this. Okay, so I will use Kotlin or Java. That's fine, yeah. So should be fine. Make sure you don't use example here. You change to your name, because if you upload to the like Play Store, App Store, the example is the real website. So the Play Store or App Store will not let you upload to the server. Okay, so in here, because I already configured this, but let's go to Flutter 2. So let's go to this website. So here the requirement. So first, Flutter SDK, the latest version, and this is the the IDE. And here is the Visual Studio that I said here with the desktop, development with C++. And for macOS, we will do it later. Right. So here you need to enable Flutter here in your project. Okay, let's go to terminal here. In case you cannot write Flutter here because you didn't add it to the environment, so just go to environment here, type like this, and you go to environment, path, edit, and just click on browse. It's faster, like this one, and Flutter and bean, like this. Okay, but because I already have that one, so delete it. So like this one, and click, and okay. So if you type again, you will have the same error, so you have to restart the Android Studio in case your command doesn't work yet. Even in the CMD, you have to restart like that as well. Is it going back? Alright, so I hope that you can click it well. So if you click it well, then you will see something like this. That's fine now. So for this one, just copy this and paste it here. Okay, you see, now you might restart this as well. So you have to restart it again. Alright, so after you do it now, you will see the device here. So let's click it. It might take some time now. Alright, so now it says that no Windows, so you have to add it because you don't have the, it's like I forgot that, where is it? Add existing something. Where is it? Oh, this one is down below, I think. Yeah, this one. So you need this command as well. So the whole thing, not even the dot here as well. So copy. Now go to terminal again, like this. Okay, now it should be fine. So you can type Flutter devices. Yeah, if you want to run from the command, you can do this as well, like this. Yeah, but I prefer to do this from here. It's building, take some time now. Okay, it's coming now. There you go. Yeah, that's it. So to sum up, what you need, beside the standard environment, of course you need JDK, Flutter, and Git for Windows as well, and Android Studio, all VS Code. That is the standard environment for Flutter that most of you know that before. But for this particular you know, desktop application, you just need Visual Studio here. Just click like this, you go to download this one, and then you need to choose the development with C++. Okay, that is very important, and you need to download that as well. And for the command line, as you can see, the first one, you need this command. Okay, and the second one, it's a little bit down here. Yeah, that second line. All right, and if you go to pub specs, I didn't even change to 12 because most of the library now, they need you to change to 212, but the desktop actually doesn't have doesn't require you to change to 12. If you prefer to use the old version of 2.7, that's fine. You still can reuse the desktop application, also the web. So let's test the web, and then we sum up the video. So let's go Chrome. I prefer Chrome. Let's see. Starting now, so you will need another, starting from here. There you go. It's not frozen. It needs some time here. Oh, running with uninstalled. Okay, that is not the problem for the web, is it? I think the web need the 12. I think. Yeah, I think so. So let's change it to 12. And you have to choose the pub get. Okay, get dependency. But you need to change some code here because now change to this one and as required, or just use this this light bulb. Okay. In my next video, we will talk about the the new version, the 2.12. But now we talk only about the testing with the new new app, new environment. There you go. All right. So I think the web need the the latest version. But if you don't intend to use the web, maybe just Android and iOS and desktop, we still use the 2.7 because a lot of code will be changed, and we will cover the change in our next video, yeah, hopefully soon. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Please give me thumb up if you like it. It encouraged me to do more video, and also you can share it, and if you have any question, just comment down below. So thank you, and I will see you in the next video.